Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one. Yeah, I'm AI with the designs, do rag. Bounce back game, do while we talking practice.
Okay, so I'm back. For some reason, like, I just was not feeling the way I did the braid on camera. I actually redid the braid the exact same way, but I took my time, and things just for me always turn out better when I do it off camera. So I'm gonna show y'all how it turned out. Yeah, I know I got a huge flyaway. I could just tuck that in, and I'll show you what to do with flyaways when you're done with your video. I mean, when you're done with your braid. But yeah, so like I went through and redid the whole thing. Like I went through and put my hair in a bun. My advice would be get your bun and then wrap it up as small as possible, and then after that use the hair to go around, like around your bun. And I ended up not using that wrap piece, so let me just quickly show you what my hair looks like because my battery's dying. When I'm ready to go somewhere, I'll go back and put edge control, but this is how it turned out. I'm super happy with it. For any places that didn't just look right, I used bobby pins, and then this is the braid. It's so cute. And for flyaways, you just bring them to the back and tuck them in like that.